May family history ka ba ng alta presyon at diabetes? Mas mainam po that you will have your blood pressure checked every now and then. Mas maganda din if you can have your laboratory even once a year. This way po maiiwasan natin ang stroke. Mga warning signs ng stroke, biglang pamamanhid dito sa mukha at kalahating bahagi ng katawan. Pwede ding makaranas ng panghihina sa kalahating bahagi ng katawan, slurred speech, nahihirapang magsalita, pwedeng makaranas din ng worst type of headache. This is actually characterized by the type of stroke which is considered as the most fatal and the most dangerous. Pero if maagapan agad, mas maganda ang survival rate nito. This is hemorrhagic stroke. Kahit may family history ng stroke, pwede ito iwasan, and we start first by educating yourself. God bless you po.